Hello. Today we're going to look at something called a backward poem. They're really funny. Backward poems are one of the most fun poems to write. A backward poem is a poem with everything done in reverse. Often they're written about a backward person. First, create a backward character. Give your backward character a name like Backward Bob or Mrs. Backward, and maybe deciding where they're from. Then try rhyming the next line, like this. Backward Bob from backward town is backward flipped and upside down. Next, make a list of backward things. Make a list of things a backward person might do or say or have. For example, a backward person might wear his hat on his feet, or he might have a cat that barks, or a dog that meows. Come up with several ideas and make a rhyming list like this. He wears his hat upon his feet and wanders backward down the street. His dog meows, his kitten barks, his baby goldfish chases sharks. See how they're all backwards? They're silly. A dog doesn't meow. A goldfish does not chase a shark. Add as many of these two-line rhymes as you can. I thought of a few more things about Backward Bob. His ears are blue, his nose is green, he drives a purple submarine. He eats his lunch when he's asleep and washes in a garbage heap. Ugh. 3. Give your poem a simple ending. When you write a simple describing poem like these, it's okay to end your poem the same way you started it. Here's an ending to the Backward Bob poem. And when he laughs, he wears a frown. He's Backward Bob from backward town. 4. Put it all together. Here's the finished poem. Backward Bob. Backward Bob from backward town is backward flipped and upside down. He wears his hat upon his feet and wanders backward down the street. His dog meows, his kitten barks, his baby goldfish chases sharks. His ears are blue, his nose is green, he drives a purple submarine. He eats his lunch when he's asleep and washes in a garbage heap. And when he laughs, he wears a frown. He's Backward Bob from backward town. Not bad. Now you give it a try. Think of a character, make a list of things done backward, and try to find rhymes. Add an ending by repeating who the character is. Put it all together and you've got a shiny new backward poem. Don't forget to send a picture of your poem to your teacher. See you soon.